Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what is the minimum income requirement to apply for the Bank of Queensland credit card. So according to the Bank of Queensland, they offer a variety of credit card, and the minimum income requirement also varies according to the credit card that you hold. So for that, to understand this in detail, open up a browser, go to their official field, that is www.boq.com.au personal credit card. Here you'll be able to find this credit card section. Press that and scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see, there I have a different credit card that you applied. So you need to go ahead and press on learn more. This is going to take you to the info section where you can see all of these information. Likewise, you could go ahead and read the credit card and interest fees rate right on this page. On this section, you can see this all. This is how you can get to know what is the minimum income requirement to apply for Bank of Queensland credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.